guys, your boy Zoe Msipa, De Pablo. So today we're talking a little bit about credit systems and how they work for business. So the reason why you need to know this for your marketing or for your business, for your branding is this. Businesses run on credit. You see, if you take a business, for example, fruits and veg. Let's take fruits and veg. Fruits and veg is basically it's a vegetable and fruits and peanuts and anything green and wholesome you'll find in fruits and veg, juices and everything. So how does a business like fruits and veg sustain itself if it's selling perishables like apples, fruits, apples, cabbages, tomatoes, cucumbers, all these things that are perishable and have an expiry date. You see, this is the thing you have when you're in a space of business. You have to think a bit different. You have to make sure that you have systems that are going to work in that space. So here's how we're going to look at fruits and veg. Fruits and veg has the farmer. The farmer is growing 2-3 hectares of maybe wheat, maize meal, cabbages, whatever it is that he's going to need a place to supply, right? And then the person to supply would be, he needs to supply the people, right? The people is us, the everyday, me and you, we all eat tomatoes, onions, it's an everyday thing, right? So what happens now, the person who comes in between and becomes the middleman is fruits and veg. So in order for fruits and veg to sustain their business model, in order for them to be able to just keep running, they can't say that the money that comes in immediately leaves immediately, first in, first out, FIFO, LIFO, those accounting concepts, I love them. But so what they basically do is this: when you're a farmer or a supplier, in this case, usually they give you notice that we're going to pay you in so many days. Like suppliers will be told, when you bring in your supplies from the date of you supplying, we'll pay you either 30, 60 or 90 days after. So you see, do you see it? So when you bring in your tomatoes, your 1 ton of tomatoes today, right? And then you only be paid 30 days, 60 or 90 days after, depending on the agreement that you have with management and versus the volumes that you've agreed on. So you find that a lot of people, so that's when now, and then actually we see that people coming into the store are coming to purchase this tomato. This tomato doesn't go on sale in 30 days, no. It goes on sale on the same day it comes in, immediately. Do you see the formula there? So they buy themselves time. The issue is time. They need time to sell the product. So if you're into perishables, you need time to sell the product before it goes bad. Because even the farmer, the reason why he comes and he agrees to these rates and these conditions is because he knows that if he keeps his produce and there's no one to give it to, it will be useless, it will be wasted effort. But at least if he gives it to this middleman, fruits and veg, they are able to at least guarantee him something after a certain period of time. So what do we have here? We need a guarantee and we need time, because basically that's what the supply game is about. Demand and supply. So guys, that's the concept of how you keep money afloat. Basically, it's the most basic level of keeping a business afloat. You have a payment period for your creditors and your suppliers that gives you time to raise the money through your customers coming in. You can also do the same concept in your own business, and you can try it out. But that's it for my digital marketing tips. See you next time.